Why deadlift form matters.
Deadlifting is one of the most powerful exercises for building strength. However, using incorrect form can lead to serious injuries, especially in the lower back. Mastering proper technique keeps you safe and helps you gain the maximum benefit from your workout. Let's explore the key steps to deadlift safely and effectively.
Setting up, stance and grip.
Start by standing with your feet hip-width apart and toes pointed slightly outward. The barbell should be positioned over the middle of your feet. Grip the bar just outside your knees, using either a double overhand or mixed grip. Keep your arms straight and your shoulders directly over the bar. This foundational setup promotes stability throughout the lift.
Engaging the core and back.
Brace your core to protect your spine. Pull your shoulder blades back and down, as if pinching them together, and keep your chest lifted. Your back should remain straight, not rounded, throughout the movement. This positioning helps distribute weight evenly and prevents common injuries.
The lift, executing the deadlift.
Push through your heels, keeping the bar close to your legs as you stand up. Extend your hips and knees at the same time until you are fully upright. Do not shrug your shoulders or hyperextend your back at the top. Lower the bar slowly with control, maintaining the straight back position.
Common mistakes to avoid.
Avoid rounding your back, letting the bar drift away from your body, or jerking the weight off the floor. Never use weights beyond your ability to maintain form. If you feel pain or discomfort, stop and reassess your technique. Focusing on these details keeps your deadlift safe and productive.
Progress and safety tips.
Start with light weights to master proper deadlift form. Consider recording yourself or working with a coach to get feedback. Gradually increase the load as your technique improves. Warm up thoroughly and never skip cool-down stretches. Safe deadlifting is key to long-term strength and progress.